Now let us register for new user. Register your account. Now this page navigates us to my services. Here it lists all the containers for this particular user. Since we just registered, we don't have any containers. Let us create containers. Here user can deploy either web server image or database image. For the web server we created NGINX image, and for database we have a MongoDB image. User can specify the port number for this particular container to run. I'm giving port number 4000 and memory in bytes for this particular container, and memory should be at least 4 MB. Here I am deploying a MongoDB image. Create container. We are navigated back to my service, and here you can see this particular URL here. Now the container is running in this node at the port 4000. You can either delete the container as well. Here, since it's a MongoDB container, we can't access it over HTTP. Now let us access this via our local MongoDB. This is IP address of our MongoDB server. I'm giving here the host name. Here the port number is 4000. Connect. As you can see, these are default MongoDB database. Here you can create database collections. So you can work on this database. And now let us create one web server for this user. So for port number, since I have already used 4000, I am using another port number, and memory some 7 NGINX image. Create container. Here you can see this particular container is created and is running at the port 8888. When you click on this, this shows this our web server page. You can delete the container as well. Just a second. I'm deleting this particular container. So now when you try to access this web server, it is no longer running at this particular port. And you can delete the database server as well. Delete container. Now here when you try to connect to the same database server, now you should not be able to connect since we have deleted the container. This shows MongoDB not running on the provider host and port. The user can log out, and this is all about this application.